impressed with the changes Apple made to maximize comfort for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is definitely a refined piece of hardware. I love the thin bezels, the introduction to USB-C, and the reduction of weight, as well as the warmer exterior of the titanium. Otherwise, there's really nothing to distinguish this device from its predecessors besides the titanium and the slightly rounded edges that is probably going to be covered up with a case. Decided to go with the black to keep things simple and clean, and I'm definitely loving it over last year's deep purple. Hand-me-down coming to wife very, very, very soon. Other things that are on the plate that really sets us apart from the iPhone 14 Pro Max is the fact that this guy offers Wi-Fi 6 as well as spatial video, which is coming later this year. I also like the action button. It gives me the ability to customize it to my liking, which is to open up YouTube with one press of a button, which is something that I think should have been on the iPhone years ago. Otherwise, I really haven't had a chance to check out the camera. I think I'm going to do a video where I review the camera, so stay tuned for that. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Somewhat related to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but I did want to touch on it, is the fine woven case. And I would say for the most part, I'm a big fan. It's nice and soft in the hand, and the buttons have really good travel. Now before that, I had an Alcantara case with my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I think this is a good medium. Now, is it worth $60? No, it is not. This is definitely a $30 case, but you know, you gotta pay the Apple tax.